Hey Winxers, what's up? My name is Tyler and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a new Capsule Chix. Now, I unboxed a whole bunch of these a couple months ago. I'm going to link that here so you can go check it out. But I went out and I purchased some more, and today I'm going to be opening a Control-Alt-Magic. So, I've already cut the plastic off, and I really want to just dig right into this because it's been so long since I've had a chance to look at some new Capsule Chix, and I'm very excited. So, let's get into this. Okay, Winxers, so for this week, I'm going to be giving away a Capsule Chix. I'm going to be giving away a single Sweet Circuits Capsule Chix to one lucky winner. You will get the exact one shown here. But yeah, so for official rules and entry into how you can win this awesome Capsule Chix and see what chick you get inside, head over to my Instagram. The link is in the description where you will find all the information you need to enter. So yeah. Good luck! Okay, so once you open up this here and pull out the tab, there's the little booklet inside, which again, I go into these a little more depth in that other video that I tagged, but it essentially shows you all the different things that you can get from this collection, all the different faces and all that. So now all you gotta do to get one out is turn this little lever here, and we get a capsule. I am just going to pull all of these out and get this like plastic packaging off, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have just pulled everything out of the little containers, and I have all the little blind bags here that I cannot wait to get open. Now, this was definitely, the Control-Alt-Magic was probably one of my favorite from the collection. Control-Alt-Magic and then maybe Gigaglam. I think those two are definitely my two favorites, so I cannot wait to cut into these. Alright, so cutting into this one, let's see what's in here. Let's see. Alright, it feels small, whatever it is. Okay, it's the torso. Alright, so we have this little blue torso here with, of course, the arms and a little shell. Okay, this is cute. Alright, moving on. Now we have this one here. You know, the really cool thing about Capsule Chix in general and all these little bags is that we can literally mix and match with whatever we want and make whoever we want, and that is so cool. Ooh, okay, so it's this purple skirt. I think I might already have this, actually. I have to check with my ones that I have in my other, like, space, but I think I do have this skirt already. So let's just go ahead and move on. This one's really heavy, so I think it's the hair, and I'm kind of super excited to see what it is. I love the hair in these dolls for some reason. I think they're so fun. Ooh, I don't have this. I already know I don't. Ooh. Ooh, okay, this is cool. I like this. It's purple, and it has, like, a crown. Oh, and it's, like, oh, it's textured. It's like, can you guys see this? It's like velvet. It's flocked. That's the word. It's been flocked. Whoa, this must be one of the rare ones. This is so incredibly cool. All right, so yeah, getting to mix and match the pieces and like creating your own capsule is one of the coolest things about this for sure. And I'll probably, at the end, pull out my other girls and, you know, show you guys how you can mix them even more. So these are the shoes and accessories. These are cute. They're giving me, oh, they're so cute. These are adorable. I love them. And there's, of course, this little bracelet. I forget what they're called, but bracelet there. So those are the accessories and all that. There's one more, which I'm trying, oh, this must be the head. So there's one more, and this is the head. Now, I'm always a little worried about cutting these open because sometimes there's little pieces that you can accidentally cut, which would suck. But alright, so that's empty. And here's the face. Ooh, it has like stars. It has little stars on it. It is so cute. Alright, so let me put her together and I'll be right back. And here she is, guys, all put together with her super soft flocked hair. She is so absolutely adorable. Now, just a little up close. Again, here's her cute wig with the tiara. Her adorable face. This cute outfit. And her shoes, which I'm so in love with right now. They're so cute. And she has double peace sign hands. I love this. So let's open up her book and see if any of these parts are rare. Okay, so just opening it up, I'm just going to flip to, okay, so here are the faces. So it looks like we got face number 3, which is the one with the yellow stars over here. And then, oh, so here are these shoes that we got today. I got these shoes there. Super cute. And then let's see if, okay, so there's the wig, definitely. Oh, we got this top. This is the top that we got. it is, I think that's top number 1. Is that what it's saying? All right. Now, wigs. Okay, so here's this, and I'm trying to remember what green means. Green is rare. Okay, so we got a rare wig today. That is so awesome. And it's super soft and fluffy. And here's the purse that we got. It's this little, like, pink bag that kind of looks like a flower. Super cute. And I think that's all the accessories. So, we ended up with a super cute yellow face and a rare wig, which is so awesome. So yeah, so here she is all put together. She's absolutely adorable. And yeah, so that's all I have for you guys in today's video. I hope you enjoyed unboxing her as much as I did. This was a ton of fun, and I really do want to get more Capsule Chix in the future and get to do this more because they are adorable, and I'm so happy to add this one to my collection and maybe even do some mix and matching later with them. So yeah, again, that's all I have for you guys for today, and I really, if you enjoyed it, hit the like button because I'm posting 3 times a week in the month of December. And I'm doing a giveaway every week, so yeah. And comment, too. Have you guys tried Capsule Chix since the last video that I posted? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, guys. Bye!